Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create a data table in Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Google Sheets and I'm going to show you how we can create a data table. First of all, you need to select the cells you want to make as table. You can customize how many rows and how many columns you want to add to your table. And for example, I'm going to select 3 columns and 10 rows like this. I mean 9 rows. And then to create a table, we're going to add border to the cell. You can click on this icon and then I'm going to select all borders right like this. Okay, and now the table has been created and you can input your data in this table. I'm going to add number and name and score like this, and you can fill your data in the table. You'll be able to autofill as well like this. Just drag the circle if you want to autofill. That's easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a data table in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!